team tent right behind that long jump pit.
Okay. I got it right here. Shit, don't worry about it. I won't be here long.
I know.
Dog, I done caught on to this shit, dog.
I see you done masterminded.
Yeah, I done, like, shit, I might not be here tomorrow, shit. For that 100, he done ran up 100 every fucking week. Like, it's no point for all of that. He'll run the 100, I mean the 400 and the long jump for them. What's the fuck? That looks good. I'm gonna be running, dog.
Sticking close together, 1, 2, and 3. It's Jawan Allison in the lead. Faz, followed by Dovan Allison.
This is the first time I've seen somebody just hang with him, you know what I'm saying?
Showing some love to our vendors and concessions. Gumbo Express. Our good friends there, make sure you check them out, gumboexpress.com. Some delicious stuff there waiting for you. I know you like funnel cakes. I know you do. Go to the Funnel Experience. Putting the fun back in funnel cakes. Let them take care of you. WJ's Meats. You know what they got. Somebody tell them to bring me a sausage on a stick. Doesn't even have to be in a stick. It can be in a bun. And Jamaica me ice. Get your ices. Get Jamaican ice. You know, it's hot outside. It's a nice way to stay cool. But these are our vendors. We appreciate them for being a part of the Wings Track and Field Championship. That is the gun lap. And we are still stuck at 1, 2, 3. The Allison twins with the Hurricanes. And Aiden Faz with about 300 meters to decide who's going to win this thing. So when they get to the 200-meter mark, you should start cheering really loudly because they're going to really, really turn it on at that time. So we're getting ready to go. You get yourself ready. Set. All right. And the kick begins. You guys go ahead and get loud right now because somebody's going to win. Somebody's going to come in first. Am I my brother's keeper? I don't know today. It was Aiden Faz, and here we go. Somebody's going to do it. Somebody's going to do it. You are my brother and I love you, but not today. Allison.